In this today tutorial, I am going to show you a way in which you can earn money on YouTube. And guys, I'm going to give you some great examples of different YouTube channels, not only one, but a bunch of them. So in this way, I can convince you that you can earn money on YouTube. Now guys, you don't need any camera or anything like that, and you can earn thousands of dollars per month. And guys, they are not showing their face for this. Neither they have a camera, a professional one, neither of that. In fact, everything is going to be really simple. You don't need any skills or any knowledge at all. You can be a total beginner who have never used before YouTube, and you can earn as much money as them. Now, if this sounds exciting to you, then keep watching this video and learn all of the details that I'm going to explain. But before I do that, I would like to ask you first to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. Let's jump over to Google, and of course the first step will be searching up for a niche. Now guys, you cannot just go over to Google and create random videos about different topics because it's going to be a little bit messy. So when you open a YouTube channel, you need to concentrate on a particular niche on your YouTube. So you can search up on Google best YouTube niches, and they're going to give you some recommendation. I would totally suggest to you to watch the most famous one. So as you can see over here, you have tech videos, gaming, product reviews, tutorials, story time videos, vlogs, food, fashion, beauty, weight loss and healthy living, travel, animals, how-tos, humor, and many more. So you can choose from all of these lists whatever you want to. So just point to one of them and start creating videos related to that. So if you're still wondering how you can earn money with YouTube if you won't show your face, I'm going to give you some great examples of not only one but 3 different YouTube channels who are creating videos to a perfect niche and they're earning a lot of money. So the first one I wanted to show you is called Body Hub. Now guys, this Body Hub is concentrating on one of the most popular YouTube niches, which is health and fitness. So they have got over 1 million subscribers, and if you check out the most popular videos, they have earned millions of views, which means that they probably have got from these millions of views thousands or hundreds of dollars too. Now let's check out in particular one video that they have created on their YouTube channel. As you can see, it's just a random footage of people eating, of people exercising, different healthy foods. So in this way, they are earning money, guys, just by getting random footage using their voiceovers to represent what they are showing on the video, and that's all. And they are earning money from this because they have got 17,000 of views in just one video that they haven't shown their face at all. But this is not the only one who is going around and are earning money. There's also another one called Picture Fit. Even this one is concentrating on the health and fitness niche. And as you can see by yourself, it's about exercising and losing weight and everything related to that. But different from the first YouTube channel, here you are not going to see random footage but animation, which of course it requires a little bit of skills and of course a little bit of more effort than the first YouTube channel, but still they are earning passive incomes because only with one video which goes viral and gets 100,000 of views, they earn thousands of dollars. Now guys, I also have another YouTube channel that you can check it out by yourself and you can see that they are earning a lot of money. It's called Bestie and they have over to 4 million subscribers and they're creating videos about health, fitness, to this popular niche, which I told you that it's one of the most famous one, and I have proof in front of you that it truly goes viral. Now guys, if we open one specific video, you are going to check out that even here people are not showing their face, just random of videos of food, and as you can see they have got 27,000 of views, which have made them earn a lot of money. Now guys, I want to show you on Social Blade how much they have earned and who is doing better. And as you can see over here, Buddy Hub, it's earning $6,000 on the month, and in year they reach up to $80,000. Now Picture Feed, it's not doing that great more than the first one, but still they have got thousands of dollars from the videos that they have created, and as I told you, they are not showing their face at all. Now Bestie is the number one over here compared to the two first one, because they are getting $23,000 per month and $200,000 per year. As you can check out by yourself, they have a lot of money, guys. And they just showed random footage of food and also people exercising, and as you can see they have got that much of money, and you can do the same thing as them. And if you're wondering how you can create these types of videos when you don't have any skills on animation, neither on editor videos, so what you will have to do is go over to this great and amazing platform called invideo.io. This will create stunning videos for you. You just need to put all of the footage and also use your voice, and in this way you are going to create the videos and publish them. Now if you're wondering what you are going to talk during the videos, because probably you don't have a lot of information, don't worry, because even the YouTube channels that I show you, they don't have the information. They just search up the information and they read it during the videos. So this is what you are going to do too. You just need to search up for different articles on Google. Like if we are going to concentrate on the health and fitness niche, then you are going to search up tips to lose weight. So in this way, Google is going to suggest you a bunch of different articles. You can choose the best one, change it a little bit, or you can paraphrase it with many websites that exist out there. And then you can create the videos with InVideo. Now guys, if you're wondering that you will have to pay any money over here, then you are wrong, because it's completely free and you will have access to a many video template. Now, if you need more features, then of course you can invest some money, but feel free to do so. I will not recommend to you, because also with the free package, you can create amazing videos too. Now guys, earning money with YouTube is great, but it's not going to happen with a click. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So what I will totally recommend to you is that when you publish the video, you need to merchandise them. And you can do it with the help of teespring.com. This amazing website over here will make it happen for you. It will create a store in which you can sell different products, mostly t-shirts, in which it can be related to your niche that you are going to create your YouTube channel. So what you will have to do is just click on start creating. You can put all of the details for yourself and start creating that store, and when as soon as you publish the videos on YouTube, you can put at the description your store in which people can buy and order all of the products related to the niche. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and also check out other videos as well.